In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in of Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your browser to your Microsoft account so your bookmarks, passwords, and settings follow you across devices. First, launch Microsoft Edge. You can open it from your desktop, taskbar, Start menu, or Applications folder, whatever is most convenient. Give it a second to load to the home page or your last open tabs. Next, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small profile icon, usually a circle with a silhouette or your initials, right next to the three-dot menu. Click that icon to open the profile menu. In the menu that appears, choose the option that says Sign in to sync data. This is what links Edge to your Microsoft account and enables syncing. Sync keeps your favorites, browsing history, saved passwords, extensions, and other settings consistent on every device where you use Edge with the same account. If you use multiple computers or a phone, this saves a lot of time and keeps your experience seamless. You'll be asked to pick an account. If your device already has a Microsoft account signed in at the system level, you might see it listed. Choose it if that's the one you want, or select Add New Account if you prefer to sign in with a different one. Now, enter your Microsoft account email and password, then follow the prompts to complete the process. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify your identity with a code or an authentication app. You might also see a Stay Signed In option, which is helpful on your personal computer but not recommended on shared devices. Edge may ask what you want to sync. You can accept the defaults now and adjust details later in settings if you prefer. If you're already signed in and want to add a second profile, for example, one for work and one for personal use, click the same profile icon and select Add Profile. This creates a separate space with its own favorites, history, extensions, and sign-in. It's a great way to keep work and personal browsing cleanly separated. Once added, you can switch between profiles anytime by clicking the profile icon and selecting the one you want. Each profile can have its own theme color and name to make it easy to tell them apart. That's it. Launch Edge, open the profile menu, sign in to sync, pick or add your account, and complete the prompts. And if needed, add a second profile to keep things organized.